customer. Our July live show about quilting embroidery machine will start soon. But before we start running the machine, we have a special program for you. So just give us several minutes. We will start soon. So any customer, if you're interested in the dancing, you can if you are interested, you can tell us. Next time we can online teach you. We can invite her teaching you online. Okay. So now our live show will start. So customer from Alibaba, we would like to call your attention. You can find our company name banner, Zhuji Jinyu Mechanical and Electrical Manufacturing Corporation Limited. And below it, you can find follow, the button of follow. So you can press this button. Follow will become following, and it will comes out the sentence. You are now following this supplier. You can find updates on suppliers' latest arrivals, offers, and more in feeds channel of the app. Yeah. So in this case, any live show, any new products, if we post it in Alibaba, you will get announced immediately. Okay. So do you remember? Now you are watching our live show. So on your left hand, on the top of your screen, you can find our company name. So you press this and you can find our company name banner, and you find this button, follow. Then you press it, it will become following. If already following, means you already be our fans. Okay, so keep updated. Now today we will introduce the machine in front of us. This is a double needle 34 heads machine. Double needle 34 heads. Double needle means same time in each head there are 2 needles. Total 34 heads, 68 needles. The needle space is 2 inch. You can find the model information from this paper. There's some simple introduction about this machine. The model number JYQ234. Needle number 68 needles, and head number 34 heads. The needle distance 2 inch, and the needle size is 9 to 16 needles, and the stitch length can be 1 mm to 7 mm. Total the fabric length is up to 3.4 meters. Or you can put 2 fabric. Each fabric can up to 1.7 meter. Okay, and the machine size is total length of the machine is 5.2 meters. The width of the machine is 1.5 meter, and the height is about 2 meters. Okay. So if you're interested to know about this model, you can send us message. We can send you the model information by chatting with us. Okay, now we will start the machine. You will find this machine operation is very simple. From computer, first we choose a design, and after we choose the design, we make spread. Okay, so you can see when there is thread breakage, the machine automatically will stop. So in this case, we can check our fabric. So make sure no destroy in fabrics. Okay, let's come closer. Okay, here I print some photos, which all these samples can be made from our products. Here you can find a pair of fashion shoes. This made by Quilting embroidery machine. Okay, and Susan will introduce. Here there are bags. Here are bags and home textile products, and also fabrics with sequins. And Alice can show us. Alice will show us here the sample made. This also made by our machine, and it is the air flight, and here for the car, the seat covers, and also in the car the floor. And here is a pair of shoes, one of the shoes. Also, you can see sofa products, home textile. Yeah, it's sofa made by our machine. You can see the design is very simple, but it's very nice. And here is the car seat cover, and also car mat, car floor covers, and shoes. And here is the bag. The bag also made from this machine. It's very nice, right? Very nice. And here you can find the samples. This is what made from our machine, and then you can change it into whatever you want. And this fabric is also very fashion. It's elastic. This one also can be made made into bags. And we also have this machine with sequin function. So we can make fabric, the bling fabric with this machine. We have this type of quilting machines also. So if you are interested, you can send your inquiry to us. Okay, and the second part, we will invite Mr. Hassim to do introduction in Arabic. So first he will introduce about this machine.
السلام عليكم اخواننا الكرام في الوطن العربي من المحيط الى الخليج. انا حازم واحنا هنا في جنيو. السلام عليكم اخواننا الكرام في الوطن العربي من المحيط الى الخليج. قالوا لي علي الصوت علشان الصوت مش واضح. احنا النهارده كالعاده دايما بنعمل لايف من المصنع ومن اللي هي صالة العرض بتاعتنا. احنا النهارده موجودين في المصنع وبنقدم منتج من المنتجات اللي احنا دايما بنتكلم عليها في البدايه. بنقول ان جينيو مصنع من 2002 بيشتغل كل انواع المكن، وان جينيو مصنع كبير، وان احنا بنشتغل انواع كتير من المكن، ومن ضمنها مكن الكيلتنج او اللي احنا بنقول عليه المكن الكابيتونيه. احنا بنقول عليه مكن كابيتونيه او كيلتنج، اللي هو بيعمل الكابيتونيه. الكابيتونيه ده اللي بيشتغل في المفروشات، بيشتغل في في فرش السيارات، بيشتغل في المفروشات، بيشتغل حتى في القماش العادي ممكن نعمل، بيشتغل على جلد، بيشتغل على كل انواع القماشات، واحنا بنسميه شغل درافيل. اللي احنا بنقول عليه ده شغل درفيل او شغل اللي هو الكيلتنج، او شغل اللي هو الكابيتونيه. المكنه اللي احنا واقفين قدامها طبعا بالنسبه لمكن الكيلتنج او الكابيتونيه او اللي هو بنظام الدرافيل بيشتغل نظام الرول. يعني احنا بنستقبل الرول بيبقى في الخلف واحنا بنستقبله من الامام. كل الرول بيبقى ماشي بيشتغل بنفس الوتيره. تمام. ده شغل المكن اللي هو بيشتغل بالرول او اللي احنا بنقول عليه الرول او الكابيتونيه او اللي هو الكيلتنج. تمام. المكن ده في منه انواع كتير. يعني النوع اللي احنا واقفين قدامه دلوقتي الكبير ده اعرض، اكبر عرض اقدر اشتغله من 3 متر و20 سم. ده لو انا بشتغل شغل فعلي على القماش. المكنه اللي احنا قدامنا دي 34 راس في 2، يعني اجمالي 68 ابره. دايما احنا بنحسب الكلتنج بالابره، كل ابره من دي بتعمل شغل في نفس الوقت بتعمل شغل. انا ممكن افصل بعض الابر ما شغلهاش، وافصل بعض الهدود ما اشغلهاش في بعض الاحيان اللي بحتاج فيها مقاسات مختلفه للرسم او الديزاين او التصميم. المكنه اللي احنا واقفين قدامها دي يعتبر اعرض مكنه كيلتنج او كابيتونيه او شغل درافيل موجوده، لانها بتشتغل على اعرض توب عندك، اعرض توب قماش عندك اللي هو 3 متر مثلا 20، فممكن تشتغل على 3 متر 20. ولو انا عندي التوب اللي هو المتر و60 انا بحط